I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I drink juice before going for a jog.
I drink juice before going for a jog.
I go for a jog in the morning.
I go for a jog in the morning.
I prepare my breakfast at 8 a.m.
I prepare my breakfast at 8 a.m.
I put the milk bottle in the fridge.
I put the milk bottle in the fridge.
I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m.
I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m.
I drink a cup of coffee in the morning.
I drink a cup of coffee in the morning.
I read the newspaper after eating breakfast.
I read the newspaper after eating breakfast.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
I water the plants in the morning.
I water the plants in the morning.
I pick the flowers from the garden.
I pick the flowers from the garden.
I arrange flowers in the vase.
I arrange flowers in the vase.
I give food to my dog.
I give food to my dog.
I get dressed for work.
I get dressed for work.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
I arrive at the office on time.
I arrive at the office on time.
I greet my colleagues when I arrive at work.
I greet my colleagues when I arrive at work.
I give presentation in the office.
I give presentation in the office.
I take a quick coffee break.
I take a quick coffee break.
I start checking my emails.
I start checking my emails.
I attend a meeting at 11 a.m.
I attend a meeting at 11 a.m.
I take meeting notes.
I take meeting notes.
I drink water throughout the day.
I drink water throughout the day.
I chat with a coworker during the break.
I chat with a coworker during the break.
I eat lunch at noon.
I eat lunch at noon.
I return phone calls after lunch.
I return phone calls after lunch.
I finish a report by the end of the day.
I finish a report by the end of the day.
I leave the office at 5 p.m.
I leave the office at 5 p.m.
I stop by the grocery store on my way home.
I stop by the grocery store on my way home.
I buy some fresh vegetables for dinner.
I buy some fresh vegetables for dinner.
I throw trash in the dustbin.
I throw trash in the dustbin.
I cook dinner when I get home.
I cook dinner when I get home.
I set the table before eating.
I set the table before eating.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I clean the kitchen after cooking.
I clean the kitchen after cooking.
I chat with my neighbors in the evening.
I chat with my neighbors in the evening.
I go for a walk in the park.
I go for a walk in the park.
I mop the floor to keep it clean.
I mop the floor to keep it clean.
I watch my favorite TV show at night.
I watch my favorite TV show at night.
I check my social media.
I check my social media.
I call my friends every week.
I call my friends every week.
I organize my closet.
I organize my closet.
I iron my clothes for the next day.
I iron my clothes for the next day.
I do painting in my free time to relax.
I do painting in my free time to relax.
I attend a birthday party of a friend.
I attend a birthday party of a friend.
I write in my journal at night to unwind.
I write in my journal at night to unwind.
I read a book before going to bed.
I read a book before going to bed.
I create to-do list for the next day.
I create to-do list for the next day.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
I go to sleep at 10 p.m.